we introduce RCSketch, a system for sketching, building, and controlling your dream vehicle. RCSketch starts with the sketch stage to create 3D vehicles and controllers by sketching. Then proceeds to the build stage to create movement through arrows, and the control stage to manipulate the vehicle with controllers. In the sketch stage, users can create 3D sketch card by drawing on the screen. Sketch cards can be copied or moved freely. Users can change the pen color by touching the palette on the right, and check the sketch in 3D by touching the screen to move the viewpoint. Users can also draw on the floor by looking down. Let's draw a handle card on the floor. Then, let's elevate the handle card to a suitable position. Users can add cards to a group by tapping the card while pressing the group button. Grouped cards can be moved at once by touching the bezel and dragging the card plane. Let's create a controller in the same way. Users can attach the group to the camera by checking the controller checkbox. In the build stage, users can create movements. Users can add axes by holding the Create Axis button and tapping a point on a card plane with the pen. Users can set the rotation movement by selecting an axis and drawing arrows with the pen. Tapping the arrowhead can toggle the arrow between the range of angle and the range of angular velocity. Users can set the linear movement by holding the bezel and drawing an arrow with the pen. Users can connect the arrowheads with a pen to link the group's movements. Let's make the bike move forward by drawing a linear speed arrow. Connecting the speed arrow to the slider will make the bike go ahead when pushing the slider. Let's make the handle rotate with the controller wheel. Draw a rotational arrow and connect it with the controller wheel's arrow. We can control the handle with the controller wheel. Let's change the bicycle's direction according to the steering wheel's movement. After selecting the handle, set the drag center on the rear seat. A straight arrow drawn in this state has both velocity and angular velocity components. This arrow allows the bike to rotate naturally according to the movement of the handle. In the control stage, users can operate the vehicle from the remote viewpoint, where the perspective is separate from the vehicle's movement, or the onboard viewpoint, where the perspective is fixed to the vehicle, or the tracking viewpoint, where users can operate the vehicle while following it. To demonstrate the possibility of our system, we designed a car driving scenario with steering wheel, an excavator operation scenario to dig the ground with its shovel, a rocket launch scenario with engine ignition and several stage separations, and a spacecraft maneuvering scenario with foldable wings and adjustable engine thrust.